Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mamaearth Vitamin C Serum. Start by gently cleansing your face to remove any impurities and prepare your skin. Pat your skin completely dry with a soft towel. This ensures the serum can penetrate effectively. If you're new to vitamin C serums, a quick patch test on a small, inconspicuous area is a good idea to check for any potential sensitivity before full application. Now, dispense 2 to 3 drops of the Mamaearth Vitamin C Serum directly onto your clean fingertips. Gently pat the serum all over your face and neck, distributing it evenly. Remember to use a light, dabbing motion rather than rubbing vigorously. This allows the product to absorb naturally and deeply into your skin without unnecessary friction. Once the serum has fully absorbed into your skin, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and further nourish your complexion. If you're applying the serum in the morning, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from sun exposure. For best results, incorporate this serum into your routine once or twice daily. To maximize the benefits and maintain its potency, store your Mamaearth Vitamin C Serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Consistency is truly key, so use it regularly to see noticeable improvements in your skin's radiance, tone, and overall texture. Remember, it works best as part of a comprehensive and healthy skincare regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.